Hello everyone. So in this video, let me show you how you can use Emacs to manage your images, or at least to view those images using also their thumbnails. Now, I normally rely on sxiv, and whenever I'm using sxiv, I can just run sxiv and then do star.png on a directory, depending upon, of course, what I want to, what images I want to browse. And then, of course, if you press enter again, let me just show you. So if I go to sxiv and if I go to this directory of mine where I have all the images, I can see here that I can just look at these images one by one, and this is, of course, very nice. But what if you want to do the same thing using Emacs? Now, if you're using Emacs, you have the option to use something called as image diode mode. So if I press Alt X and if I press, or if I type in image -diode, it will basically ask me on which directory you want to do this. And if you press or if you select the directory, if it is a different directory, press enter and it will basically open all the images for you. Very simple, right? Now, of course, when you want to open the image, you can just click on the image and then open the image. So this is actually quite good, because now we have one more option to use, or one more option to view images, manage images, and these thumbnails are actually stored in your Emacs directory. I think there is a directory like in your home directory, or in your Emacs home.emacs.d. There will be a directory called image diode, I guess, where it will store all the thumbnails. And you can, of course, change the size of your thumbnails. But I think if you're able to view even little bit of your image, it need not to be like a very clear, high quality or big thumbnail. You can actually do something with these images. And I normally rely on sxiv for doing that, but I thought I'll probably show you, because sometimes, when you're within Emacs, you want to stay within Emacs. And I think you should always have like another way of dealing with these things. And good thing about Emacs is that Emacs, the way it works, if you're new to Emacs, you can extend Emacs. Emacs is extensible. You can customize it and you can actually make it work, because there are so many things, in fact, endless possibilities when it comes to Emacs. So hopefully I've given you some ideas in this video and you enjoyed watching this video. And you also learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.